హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఇప్పుడు మనం ఎక్సైజ్ 1.4 చూస్తున్నాం. ఇందులో ఇర్రేషనల్ నెంబర్స్ని ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి. సో మనము దీన్ని లెట్ us assume √3 plus √5 as a rational. √3 plus √5 is a rational. Rational numbers are in the form of p by q, where q is not is equal to 0, right? So p by q form. So we have to squaring on both sides will result into a plus b whole square formula. 3 plus √5 whole square is equal to p by q square. So √3 square 3 plus √5 square 5 plus 2 √3 into √5. So 5 3s are 15 is equal to p square by q square. So we will transpose this term. So it will become p square by q square minus 8. So and again p square minus cross multiply with the q square. So 8 q square by q square, right? So again we are transposing this 2. It is multiplying here, okay, dividing with the other end, right? So root of 15 is equal to p square minus 8q square by 2q square. So the entire term here, we know that p comma q belongs to integers. This is the definition of a rational numbers. P by q form, where q is not equal to 0, p comma q are integers. So these are integers. So the entire expression here will be a rational number. So it is a rational number. So this part which is p square minus 8q square by 2q square is a rational. So if it is rational, what about this part √15? So 15 is not a square number, so √15 is a irrational. So irrational. Rational number never equals to irrational, so it is not a good term. So irrational numbers are never equals to rational number. So our assumption is wrong, that p comma q are integer. So √3 plus √15 is not a rational, it is an irrational number. So finally we write √3 plus √15 is irrational. Understand? So we will take it again. So we assume that √3 plus √15 is a rational. Rational is p by q form, where q is not equal to 0, p comma q belongs to integers. So squaring on both sides will result to a plus b whole square formula. We just transpose the terms. Now we have checked the both expressions, which is left hand side and right hand side. Right hand side part is rational, but left hand side part is irrational. So we are taking equal to here, so which is not a right thing, because irrational number never equals to rational number. So our assumption is wrong, that p √3 plus √15 is a irrational number here. So √3 is irrational. That is all right. So next moving on for the next question, which says 3 plus √15 is we have to prove it is an irrational number. Let us assume it is a rational number as we have assumed here. So ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ assume చేసుకుంటాము 3 plus 2√5 is a rational, which is p by q form, right? So if it is rational, transpose this terms, where q is not equal to 0 and p comma q belongs to integers. So transposing 2√5 is equal to p by q minus 3. So cross multiplication, p minus 3q by q. Transpose this 2 to the other end, which will divide the term. So now compare. We know that p comma q are integers. So this expression is containing integer, so it is another rational number. So this right hand side is a rational, but left hand side part is a root 5. 5 is not a square number, so root 5 is a irrational only. So root 5 is a irrational, and which is not is equal to p minus root 3 by 2q, because it is a rational. Now rational number never equals to irrational. So this inequation occurs because we have assumed 3 plus root 2 root 5 is a rational. Rational అని assume చేసుకోవటం వలన మనకు ఈ inequality అనేది రావటం జరిగింది. So finally we conclude that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational, right? Just irrational అని assume చేస్తాం. Next, moving on. Right. So what is the formula we are using here? Log a power m n is equal to 1 by m log a base a n. So we are taking base power will become 1 by m, right? So we are using that here. Base power will become 1 by 2. Now look at this question also. So log 81 base 81 3, we can be written as log 3 power 4 3. 3 power 4 is 81. So result is 1 by 4 log base 3. 3 value will be 1 by 4 only. This value become 1. So next one. So log 7 1 is equal to log 7. 1 can be written as 7 power 0. Anything power 0 will be 1. So it can be 0 into log 7, or 7 will result as 0 into 1 will be 0 only, right? 0 అయింది. Next last one, ఒకసారి we need another formula there. Log a power log a n is equal to n. A power log base a n will be 1, right? We are using this formula here. And again, a power m plus n is equal to a power m into a power n. We are applying this formula. So 2 power 2 log 2 log base 2 3 is equal to 2 square into 2 power log base 2 3. So 2 square will be 4. A power log a n is value is 3. I am using this identity. So we will get just 12 here. That is all. Right, we got here. So first of all, write log m plus log n is equal to log m into n log m minus log n log m by n. Next one, log a base a power m n is equal to 1 by m log a n, right? These are the formulas we are going to use. Now look at this one. So log base to 16 minus log base to 2 will result as second formula. So which says log base to 16 minus will result 16 by 2. Because of minus, it will be dividing the first number. So 2 1s are 2 8s are. So log base to 8, this can be written as log 2 can be written as 2 power 2 2s are 4 4 2s are 8 2 power 3, right? So we know another identity, log a, next a power m can be written as m into log base a a, right? So here, so m3 can be done as 3 into log base to 2, and again log a value will be 1 only. So log 2 or 2 value will be 1. 3 1s are 3. So look at the second one. So 3 log 64 over here. So this can be taken as 3 log 64 a will be, so this will square that number. So log 64 4 power 3, you can write this number 4 power 3. So log 64 4 power 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. So log a base a will be 1. So answer here is a 1.